The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Palm phone from Verizon Prepaid. So the Palm phone is now here on Verizon's Prepaid if you guys are interested. This phone's been out on Verizon's Prepaid for a good while now. So now it's finally made to Verizon's Prepaid. It's available now for $349.99 for retail price. It's available in gold or titanium mirror, so that is pretty cool. That you have some two color icons to choose from. So this is the Palm phone right here. So this is what it looks like. It's a little small phone. You guys see the phone right there. Front of the front camera, earpiece, and proximity sensor right there. On the left side you have nothing. On the back of the Palm phone you guys have the Palm logo, camera flash, and that's pretty much it on the back. And then on the left side you got you have the power button, I believe that is, and you have the sun and microSD card slot on the left side. Or try the right side. There you have it there. Like I said, straight $49.99. So yeah, it says that Verizon exclusive Palm Prepaid lets you rethink the way you connect with your world. With this 3.3-inch screen, this ultra mobile phone is perfect for minimalist. You don't wait to log around a large and burdensome device. The Palm phone is like a backup phone, something like a companion phone, if you will. It's kind of basically what it is. It says Palm gives you all your smartphone essentials, including a 12 megapixel rear-facing camera and an 8 megapixel front-facing camera, and with iOS, the full Google Play app, ecosystem, and Wi-Fi compatibility. Our nation's full potential with Verizon, the nation's largest and most reliable 4G LTE network. So, yeah, there you have it. The Palm phone is like a sort of like a companion phone. So, say you're going out somewhere and you don't want to take out your if you don't want to take it out like you Galaxy Note 10 out anywhere. Let's say you're going to the beach, whatever, and you don't want to take your Galaxy Note 10 out there. You can take this phone out there and use it as like a backup phone, and you can leave your Note 10 at your house. So this is basically what it is. It's like a companion phone, backup phone, or whatever. This is not meant for everyday usage or nothing. So yeah, so the Palm phone has 7.5 hours usage time, 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, 1.99 inches in width and 3.8 inches in height. So it's not that big. It's compact as fuck. So it's incredibly compact. Palm is roughly the size of a credit card. Tuck it into your wallet, drop into your clutch, or slip it into your yoga pants. With its 3.3-inch screen, Palm lets you stay connected without the weight of a larger device. So this phone is compact, it's small, it's lightweight, I guess. It's not as heavy as like a Galaxy Note 10 or stuff like that. So if you guys are going somewhere, and you guys want to take a compact phone, the Palm phone could be that phone for you. More of what matters. Life mode shuts off digital distractions with customizable notification settings, putting you in control of what gets your attention. It also silence calls and notifications while your screen is off. So as long as you're not already on the call, streaming music, or using GPS. Your fitness part. Palm is small enough to fit in your workout gear without weighing you down or limiting a minute. Download fitness apps on the Google Play Store to track exercises, record meals, count steps, and more. Elegant yet durable. Take on the hardest parts of your day, whether you're in adrenaline junkie, modern minimalist, or anything in between. Palm's IP68 ready construction gives you powerful resistance against dust and water damage. So like I said, if you guys are going to the beach or whatever, and you guys wanna bring your Note 10 with you to the beach, you can bring this palm fan, which is waterproof, with IP68 water and dust resistance. Alright. Capture every moment, enjoy stunning picture quality from a 12 megapixel rear-facing camera and 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Y'all see the screen right there, very small screen, 3.3-inch display. I think the screen display is like 720p or something like that. So yeah, it says all your favorite apps with access to the entire Google Play Store. You can download and access the best apps, games, music, podcasts, and more. So you get full access. You get full Play Store access in this thing. Hands-free control. Play music, create events, reply to text, or get directions with the sound of your voice. Just double press the side button to activate Google Assistant. So that side button is your Google Assistant key. Texting made easy, so there's your keyboard right there. Send messages, browse the internet, and play apps with a custom-made keyboard for fingers of all sizes. Keep it secure. Unlock with a glance using Palm's facial recognition software, or enter a unique pattern or PIN for alternative device security. So this is a facial recognition. There is no fingerprint on this phone. Wear a Palm was made to be worn. Get the most of it with a stylish and functional accessories for different activities and lifestyle. So you can get accessories for your Palm phone, and there's like a little wallet thing right here. Pretty nice. You guys are interested in that? So the specs on this Palm phone, like I said, it is what it is. It does have 4G LTE. Of course, no 5G on this one. So you get LTE variants with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's a voice device which you can use in over 200 countries. 7.5 hours of talk time, 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. It's a 720p display, 3.3-inch display there. The height of the phone is 3.8 inches. The width of the phone is 1.99 inches. 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, I believe. You get 800 milliamp battery. You get LTE and UMTS, and a MSM 8940 octa-core processor. So I don't know what processor that is. Probably Snapdragon processor. I don't know which one that is exactly. So if you guys didn't have with your Palm phone, Verizon is here to help with that with device support. So if you guys need with some Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on this Palm phone, device support can help you with that. So what you guys get in the box? This Palm phone is the Palm phone, of course. Brand SIM card, 800 milliamp battery, which is embedded in the phone. Wall adapter, USB cable, USB connector. I think it's micro USB cable. I think micro USB. Quick start guide and implement consumer safety information. Product safety and two brochures there. So there you guys have it. The palm phone is now available on Verizon's Prepaid for $349.99. The red, blue, and gold or titanium color. So yeah, if you guys want to check out this phone, it's available now. If you guys want a backup phone or whatever, this one is worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It was not a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll get you guys next video. Peace out.